Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert a Lovable.dev site into a WordPress theme. First, open your Lovable project. In the top right corner, click on the GitHub icon. From the menu, select Configure, then click View on GitHub. This will open your project's GitHub page in a new tab. On GitHub, click the green code button. A small menu will appear with different options. From here, select Download Zip. This will download your entire project as a zip file to your computer. Next, extract the zip file into a new folder. This folder will become your WordPress theme. Inside it, create a new file named style.css and add a WordPress theme header with the theme name, author, and version. Rename your main HTML file to index.php. Copy the HTML content into it. Then, split the header and footer into header.php and footer.php, and use WordPress template tags to include them in index.php. Finally, compress the folder again into a zip file. Go to your WordPress dashboard, open Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. Upload the zip file and activate the theme. Your Lovable.dev site will now work as a WordPress theme. Thanks for watching.